What it do, YouTube? It's Nyiah here back with another video, and today guys I'll be doing shrimp and ramen noodles with Dungeness Crab on the side with egg and cucumbers. So today guys, I have Bloves sauce on the side. As you guys know, in every video I drink fruit punch. But before I get too much into this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ITZ_Nyiah with 3 H's. So I'm gonna say grace and then get this video in. So dear Lord God, thank you for this food that you have provided for me today. I hope it's a nourishment to my body. And I enjoy this food, and I hope no hurt, harm, or danger comes to this food as I receive it. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. So I've never had cucumbers and Bloves sauce on my channel, so this is going to be new. I have a trash plate on the side for me to put my king crab and my shells trash in. So yeah, I'm going to drink and get this in. Okay, so I'm going to taste this cucumber and the Bloves sauce. It's good. I like it. It's a little spicy, but it's good. So how is everyone's day going today? Mine is going really well. These noodles look so delicious, but mine is going really well. I had track practice today, and I think I had like 2 tests to take today, but my day went by like pretty smoothly. Also, today is January 27th, which is my brother's birthday who passed away. He would have been 15 today. But this video, I just wanted to say like happy birthday to him, and I do miss him like so much, and I love him so much. But today was his birthday. Well, it still is his birthday, and my mom, she'll be celebrating on her channel today, and she'll be going live. So if you do want to check out that live, do not forget to go check out my mom's, well, my parents' channel at Lee TV. That's their name. So if you want to see that live later on, it'll be there. Good. I'm gonna taste. Yeah, I really like the cucumber. It goes perfect with her sauce. Look at this shrimp. So when I did ramen and noodles the other day, I was like, I want it again because it was just so good. So my mom cooked it again, and I saw someone comment on it, and they were like, can you peel your shrimp next time? And I don't remember if I responded, but I forgot to peel the shrimp. So whoever said that, I'm sorry, I didn't peel the shrimp. Once again, I didn't peel it, but you gotta do what you gotta do, and I obviously forgot, so I'll try again next time. So let me tell y'all, I'm getting my hair done February 8th. What I will be getting, I'm not telling you, but comment down below what you think I should get or what you think I'm getting on my hair. Oh, can I have one of your fish sticks? That was so random. Y'all, I keep doing this thing because it's like in my face kind of. And on my neck. Like, back up. Back. It's good. It don't even need sauce. Whew. I'm gonna split this in half. Oh, y'all saw that splash? My bad. So this is my first time, as I said, trying the cucumbers on my channel and in Bloves sauce. So y'all got my first reaction. I forgot what I said. I think I just said it was good because it was. Practice today in track was so intense. He had us running, doing these bleacher things. I'm just like, you come do it. No, I'm kidding. He gotta train us. That's okay, cause I'ma find out. Today, I do not have a topic. That's why I'm not talking that much. This food is my topic, cause it's good. The cucumber is so fresh. Let's crack this open. Crack this right on open. Really? I'm gonna try it with an onion on the cucumber. I feel like this is the least I ever talked in all my videos, because I be talking a lot. But today is more chilled back. I meant to say laid back. But some people be like, less talking, more eating. But then some people be like, more eating, less talking. Wait, did I just say the same thing? Y'all know what I meant if I said it wrong. Less eating, more talking. Less eating, more talking. Or they be like, more eating, less talking. I'm confusing myself. For me. Y'all see, I don't got no corn today. And y'all know why, because that corn be getting stuck in my braces. But I only got like 3 months to go. Probably less than that now. I get them off so soon. And I'm gonna be smelling like cheese. Even though I don't want them off. I have to. These noodles still hot. And she been cooked them. Y'all want some? I'll be seeing my auntie do this. Y'all want some? Huh? Take a bite. There you go. I'll be seeing my auntie do that. On her channel, she be letting y'all take a bite, so I did it. Stuck in my feet. Cucumber noodle and shrimp. What a combination. It's good. It's a mirror over here. I need to flip it up because I keep looking at it. Shrimp, cucumber, and noodles is a good combination. But not as good as just shrimp and noodles. Just saying. Dungeness Crab is so easy to eat. Like, I love it. I love you. I love you. Oh, I wish I was more hungry. I'll be tearing this up. Tearing you up, bitch. There you go. There you go, meat. Come through. The Bloves sauce is pretty hot today. Okay, so as you guys know, in every video I do 3 shout outs. You have to be the first 3 to comment on any one of my videos in order to receive a shout out. So first shout out goes out to FXMiss_RefU. Shout out to you. Second one goes out to Adriana Proctor. And third one goes out to Sinks Voidus. So shout out to you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it, and much love. So guys, if you like this video, my earring just fell out. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ITZ_Nyiah with 3 H's. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my parents' channel at TNLE TV because it's a place to be. I love all of you dearly. Keep watching my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Yep. Bye, guys.
Trying to find love in a world so cold.